welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to activate ScotiaBank credit card online. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link www.scotiabank.com/activate credit card. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of ScotiaBank. From here, you'll be able to activate your credit card. If you have a Scotia MasterCard, you'll be able to call this number in order to activate it. But if you want to activate the credit card, you'll be able to find two options over here: yes, no. If you're a ScotiaBank customer with access to online banking, what you have to do is click on the yes option. Now after you do that, you can see over here you can sign in to your account. Simply click on the option sign in. Now after you do that, you'll be led to another interface. In this interface, what you have to do is enter your credentials and sign in to your account. Enter your username or card number. Now after doing that, what you have to do is enter your password. Now click on the sign in option and you'll be signed in to your account. Once you signed in to your account, activating your credit card is very simple. First of all, review the last 4 displayed card number digits to ensure they're correct. Next, enter the CVV and credit card expiration date. Scroll down and click on the option done. After you do that, your ScotiaBank credit card will be activated successfully. If you do not have the access to online banking, what you have to do is go back. Now over here in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for no. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll have to click on the continue option in order to go to next screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is simply enter your credit card or Scotia line access card number over here. Click on the field of card number. Now enter the card number. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen and you'll be led to another interface. Simply follow the on-screen instructions in order to create your account and follow through the same process in order to activate your card. So like this, you'll be able to activate it. So that is how you activate ScotiaBank credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.